client-side architecture, browser, React Vue, Vanilla JavaScript, DOM API. If only Vanilla JavaScript can access the DOM, and if Vanilla JavaScript can build everything that React and Vue can, why were React and Vue invented? Because of productivity. For a small application, document get element by ID, add event listener, etc., inner text is perfectly fine. But imagine 2000 DOM elements, 500 event handlers, hundreds of pieces of application state, multiple developers working on the same project. At that point, manually keeping the DOM synchronized with the application state becomes difficult. React solves that problem by letting you describe the user interface in terms of the current state. For example, variable state name here. Instead of writing document get element by ID, a name preview, inner text equal name. If you know somebody that needs video like that, tell them about. If you need, subscribe it. If you like it. Thank you for watching this video.